and QGs. Here we have made a robot. Its name is Hemiptera. Hemiptera is actually an insect. When it climbs on tree, it never falls from the tree. That concept we have used in this bot. When you start this bot and you will put it on a table, it will never fall from the table. Because we have used this IR sensor and we have programmed that when these two sense, then it will go forward, and when one sense and one not, then it will turn.
These are the both IR sensors. The upper portion is sensing part, which continuously sends the IR ray, which is infrared ray, and the lower portion is receiving part. When an obstacle comes between this, then the reflected signal is received. When it is active, means sensed part. These are the both motors. I have connected directly the motor with small gear, and I have coupled it with a big gear to lower the speed.
Motors don't have a polarity. That's why we have
Here is a hardware part which can slow the speed, and we have which controls the speed, and we have attached the gear there, and
this small gear is the output from the motor. It gives the output, but in a clockwise direction, and this is anti-clockwise. When it gets the output, it turns in anti-clockwise direction. That's why we have interchanged the connection, because motors don't have any polarity.
now here comes the programming part. Here, IN 1 and IN 2 means left and right IR sensor. If both are in sense state, here means this both are in sense state, that both motor will go forward. If the left one, if one is in sense state and one is in non state, it will go. It will turn as it is given in the program, and we have given the delay for 0.5 seconds. Now here comes the third loop. If
IN 1 is on the sense state, that means right, and IN 2 is on none, so it will turn in left direction, and it will not fall.
For this program, with the help of this program, the bot can never fall from the table.
Now it's time for running the program.
Now it is downloading. It has been downloaded. Now we will show you how it works.
Now it has turned in left direction, as you can see, because one eye sensor just senses and other didn't. So it turned.
As you can see, it is turning because the left eye sensor is in non-state.
And when it turns, then it comes that both are in sense it goes forward.
So this was our program. Hope you like it.
Thank you.
Thank you.